This is a full course on how to start an AI automated manga or Mahwa recap channel. We will start with gathering all the assets like manga pages, background audio, and everything else to create the video. Then we will write the script with the help of an AI that can tackle the complex scripting process. Then, using the script, I will give you the best way to make the most human-like AI voiceover. Finally, we will compile all this in the editing section of this video. And for the cherry on top, I will give you the master plan to upscale this channel to 1 million subscribers and make a full business out of this. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The main asset is the Manga Pages or Mahwa pages, whichever you prefer. First, select the manga you want to create a recap for, and read it thoroughly from beginning to end so that you fully understand the story and can speak about it confidently. Once you've finished reading, open the manga and start recording while scrolling from the top to the bottom of each chapter. You can use OBS Studio for this recording process. Make sure you scroll at a moderate pace so that later you can speed ramp to match the narration without the video becoming blurry. Also, ensure the recording is done in high resolution for the best quality. After you've finished recording, import the video into CapCut, where you'll crop out any unnecessary areas. Now, let's move on to the background music. We will create custom music for each of our manga scenes using Suno AI. You can either choose copyright-free music or use AI-generated music. It's entirely up to you. For example, I used ChatGPT to generate instrument details for my Mahwa background music. All you have to do is provide the name of the manga and a brief explanation of the scene, and the AI does the rest.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
This should be all the primary assets you would need. The scripting part is a bit tough, especially for recap channels, and only improves with practice. But I got a really great solution for this problem. Use Google Studio AI. This AI has real-time voice support. You can open the Mahwa and request it to explain each of the scenes. This way, you can get the script done without much hassle. Finally, again put it through ChatGPT and ask it to fix all grammatical errors and make the script more engaging without changing any plot points, only change the wording to make it sound better. Also, ensure to say not to change the dialogues. This way, you will have a perfectly finished script ready to go. Now for the voiceover, we will use Hailuo AI. It gives you 4,000 characters of speech for free per day. Now, for this type of voiceover, I highly recommend you use this narrator's voice, which is custom-made for interactive storytelling. Now, you will have script of 30 to 50,000 characters, due to which you would have to buy subscription, or just use multiple accounts and get a part of script done per day, as you won't be putting videos every day anyway. With that, we have our voice ready. Now, for the editing part, most of the work is done. All you gotta do is compile the narration with the pages. Use speed curves to ramp it up and down to ensure the footage matches the narration. Finally, add the background music we created, ensuring the music volume is very low so it's comfortable to hear. Now, this is all the basic stuff you need to do. But these channels have the potential to reach 1 million subscribers. To aim for that goal, the key is your editing. As your channel grows, you will have to hire a team of voice artists to create better voices for each character. Adding sound effects and slight movements in each panel can completely change the game. The best example is the story clips from the solo leveling game AIF. You can master this. You will be unstoppable. I highly recommend learning editing alongside your YouTube journey. Currently, your goal should be to post 2 videos per week and improve your video quality each time. Now, I'm not here to give in-depth YouTube advice, plenty of others do that. What I promised was a business plan. Since this is an entertainment niche based on anime, the earning potential is limitless if you know the right techniques. First is affiliate marketing. You can easily become an Amazon affiliate for anime merch and products and earn hefty commissions. Next is print on demand. You can sell channel-related designer shirts to your followers for passive income. So there it is. Beyond this point, it's up to you to explore and grow. Good luck on your journey. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Till then, peace out.